Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I good chance in this video today. I am going to show you a strategy that is 99 accuracy once it comes to trading IQ option at the OTC marketing. This strategy will increase your profitability if you stick with me until the end and understand the essence behind the strategy. I will elaborate once I take your trade. Let me first set up my strategy. Here, candle time period, I am going to use 2 minute time. So for each candlestick you see in my chart is 2 minutes. But I am going to use time frame of 1 minute. For each trade I will going to take will expire within 1 minute, and this strategy work perfectly for 1 minute time frame and 2 minute candlestick time. Okay, this strategy is simple, and I am going to use the popular indicator that is moving average and RSI line. Period I am going to decrease to 5. Type I just going to leave as default simple moving average. Color I am going to change it to green. Thickness I am just going to increase thickness and apply. Okay, I'm just going to add another moving average, that is I just going to use the period, to period. Type simple moving average, and the color I am just going to use a white color. Thickness I am going to increase the thickness and apply. Last indicator is RSI line, relative strength index. Baseline period I am going to decrease to 13, overbought 70, oversold is 30. The rest I will leave as a default. Okay, this RSI line I just going to drag it a little bit up to increase your clarity once to come to see this strategy, how it is working and everything. I just go show you. So once I take a trade, I'll elaborate more, and let me increase the currency pair. And if you are new to my channel, consider to subscribe. Once I come up with another latest strategy, you will be notified, and the other service I'm going to offer in this channel, you will be notified as well. And let's see, and make sure you're going to practice the strategy in demo account before you go with the live account. Okay, let me find an opportunity, and once I get an opportunity, I will elaborate for you why I take the trade. It will enable you to master the strategy and increase your profitability once you come to apply this strategy to your trading. Now here I am going to sell this trade here. Okay, and I am elaborating why I take this trade, I sell this trade. Okay, it's because white line, that is 2 simple moving average, cross over green line. Once the white line cross over green line, immediately you are supposed to take a trade. Okay, and have sure the RSI line is cross the middle line, is heading down of this line. Okay, you see the middle line, or middle line is 50. Okay, upper line is 70 and the lower line is 30. Make sure it is below 50. Cross this line, or is cross the 30 line. So at this we can sell, and now we see we get a profit. Okay, these strategies work perfectly once you take the trade immediately. Once the 2 simple moving average cross over 5 simple moving average to the buyer's direction. Okay, and let me see another opportunity for another currency pair. Here is another opportunity. I am going to sell this currency pair. Okay, why I just take this trade is because white line 2 simple moving average cross over green line, that is 5 moving average, and is heading down, and here we see the RSI line is heading down. Okay, and this is a clear opportunity you can trade and to give you a good result. And if you love and enjoy this video, give this video a thumbs up, and let us see we reach 100 likes within a moment. So, and if you have any concern, just leave a comment down below, and have sure you stick with me so you can see the prices just go down clearly after moving average crossover. Okay, see the prices go down, and this is the result. Here we can just look for, we can just take another trade. Why we just take another trade here is because there is a clear downtrend move, and this is stable market. We hope this will drop and go down, and the RSI line is already heading down, is near 50 to cross over and going down. Okay, we see the candle is just going down It's because there is such essence here of this moving average crossover and the promise as the result, and you see we get a profit. This strategy is working perfectly if you trade under stable market. Make sure you practice this in demo account before you go with this strategy to live account. And have sure you subscribe if you're new to my channel and turn notification bell on once I come up with another video or another service that will help you to upgrade your trade you'll never miss. Okay, bye bye for now. See you to the next video.